yourself.
So my name is Andreas. I'm coming from Austria, so just about 2 hours with the plane. And I'm the head of the Department of Digital Media at the University of Applied Sciences in Austria, in Upper Austria.
Okay. Well, what kind of research do you do?
I do a lot of natural language processing research, most of the time applied projects, and the same is with the project I will present here. It's a paper from a project we have done in combination with a startup. So half of the project was funded by the government, half of the project from the startup, and there is a product that evolved from this. And I will present the main ideas later in 2 hours.
What's the main idea?
The main idea is it's for online marketing, and one of the standard situations is you have to segment your users, and there is a lot of online analytics, and there are some new tools arriving from large language models, and we analyze the content the users consumed on online shops or newspapers in more depth as before. So you can find interest, special interest, some other hidden patterns in the data in the pure text. So we are profiling the users, especially with long text profiles, and we are processing them with large language model. And the online marketers can ask specific questions, and then you can categorize your segments after this segment.
Where does that lead to?
That leads to a solution, is a software solution. The startup is now on the market, so the research is 1 year ago, and they are now on market, and there are the first customers, and so it was an applied science project with leading to a software product. It's a platform, and they are using it, for example, for online shops. Is the user, for example, more interested in healthy products or not? And these are patterns, they are difficult to discover without these techniques. And so with large language models, you can control these things. And
quite a success so far.
Yes, I think they have also found some investors, and they are scaling up the company, and it's good for our project that it worked.
And will it lead to new research?
It will lead to new research. We have additional new projects, and one of the new parts will be researching more to go into process mining, the analysis of the paths of the steps of the users, to analyze them in more detail, and that's a following ongoing project now also funded, and maybe we will have some paper next year. So we were here in the conference last year, and one of my PhD students was here, and he got Best Paper Award. So I said, okay, this year I have to go myself. And
so you still have to present?
I have to present.
Now you have high expectations?
No, I have no high expectations. So I've almost the last presentation on the last day, so I will have only a few visitors, I think.
It should be fine. You're before the closing session.
Yes.
How has the conference been so far?
So the conference has worked very well for me. So I was also informed from my student from the last year. It's, from my view, it's very professional from the organization. It's not always at university conferences at this level. So it's clear it's half a business conference, and that you mentioned, if all the building and all the organization also before, just these social media work and all these things look very, very professional.
Glad to hear. Andreas, good luck on your presentation. Have fun.
Thank you.
And enjoy the rest of the conference.
I will. So thank you for the talk.
Thank you so much.